HCLTech hiring 2025 batch vertical bar graduate trainee vertical bar salary vertical bar. Apply now. Hey job seekers, are you a BCom, BBA, or BCom on OS graduate passing out in 2025? Here's a golden opportunity for you. HCLTech is hiring graduate trainees for its financial shared services team. Job highlights. Position: graduate trainee financial shared services. Salary: as per HCLTech standard grid, 60% plus eligibility. Service agreement: 12 months. If you leave before 12 months, you pay SHIV 50K. Eligibility criteria: graduation year, 2025. Degrees allowed: BCom, BCom, OS, BBA. CADA minimum 60% in academics. How to apply: step-by-step guide. Click on the application form link. Provide the link in your video description. 2. Fill in your personal details: name, email, phone number, address, city, state, and PIN code. 3. Enter your academic details: 10th and 12th percentage, UG college name, degree, specialization, year of passing, and percentage. PG details if applicable. 4N. Agree to the terms and conditions. 5. Submit the form and wait for HCLTech to reach out to you. Important notes: don't miss out on this opportunity. Apply as soon as possible. Make sure you enter all details accurately to avoid rejection. Watch the full video for detailed guidance. Like, share, and subscribe for daily job alerts. Number HCLTech jobs. Number job opening 2025. Number graduate trainee. Number BCom jobs. Number BBA jobs. Number fresher jobs.